Good morning, boys and girls and parents. Welcome to our Monday morning assembly. We have a lot planned for you this morning. But before we get started, we will begin with the flag salute. Today, we have two of our classmates that are going to be leading the flag salute. Take it away.
Hello, my name is Brianna Nicole.
Hello, my name is Yamila Gonzalez.
And we will lead you in the Pledge of Allegiance. Boys and girls, put your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, boys and girls. Have a nice day.
Thank you, boys and girls, for leading us in the flag salute. And now, we are moving on to our Student of the Month winners for the month of April. Boys and girls, we have a very special surprise for those that won. We will be handing out books today during recess time outside on the yard to those that won that are here in hybrid. Those that are learning remotely, we will be contacting you so that you could come and pick up your books. So here we go. Are you ready to listen to who are our Student of the Month for the month of April? Well, here we go.
Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Prado, your assistant principal. We are going to celebrate the students for Student of the Month. The first class is ETK Miss Deis' class, and our scholar is Arguelles Rosales. Arguelles recognizes all the letters in the alphabet. She recognizes numbers 1 through 25, and she enjoys participating in class on Zoom every day. Our second scholar is London Quintanillero. London Zooms regularly, enjoys participating in class, and can recognize some letters. She likes drawing. Our second class is Miss Tovar's class, and our scholar is Mateo Mendez Santana. Mateo is a hardworking student. He Zooms every day and he is always on time. He is learning letter names and sounds. And our second scholar is Adriade Aguilar. Adriade is always eager to participate in class. She knows the letter names and sounds, and she has great attendance. Congratulations, TK and ETK.
Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Mariscal. I will be announcing our kindergarten students of the month. In room 9, Miss Aguilar's class, we have Marilyn Ulloa. She is quiet, responsible, and respectful. She contributes to class discussions in a productive manner, is reading and writing complete sentences on her own, and excels in math application strategies, is quick to finish her work during Zoom, and has outstanding penmanship. Wow, Marilyn, great job. Next, we have Alexander Arguelles. He is blending and decoding simple sentences and is improving with penmanship skills and forming his own sentences. He is able to solve math application problems with ease. He is quiet and respectful. Way to go, Alexander. Next, we have Miss Gonzalez's class. We have Reina Maldonado. Reina is writing sentences and blending. She is adding and subtracting in math. She enjoys participating in class. Great job, Reina. Next, in Miss Fonseca's class, we have Alejandro Martinez. He shows great effort for work-study habits, great attendance, zoomy, present, and is on time. Sandy Correa, she has great effort for work-study habits, great attendance. She's a zoomy, and she's present and on time. Next, we have Miss Figueroa's class. We have Emily Rivera. Emily has been more consistent in logging into Zoom class and submitting her work. During Zoom class, Emily engages in class discussion and participates in class when prompted to do so. Additionally, Emily is very able to follow Zoom rules and is an excellent role model for her peers. We are so proud of you, Emily. Great job, Emily, and congratulations to kindergarten students.
Congratulations, first grade Super Eagles. In Ms. Lincoln's class, we have Eliana Rodriguez. Eliana has shown progress in reading fluency. She is very enthusiastic about participating in reading and math. We have Noel Guillen. Noel has come a long way, has improved in reading fluency. He enjoys participating in classroom discussions and shows excellent citizenship. In Ms. Morales' class, we have Erin Loya, excellent in all academic areas, always ready to learn and participate in class, excellent attendant, good citizen. Jefferson Alvarez has great academic oral skills, turning all of his homework and good citizenship. In Ms. Onella's class, we have Anthony Miranda. Anthony has improvement in reading and citizenship. He shows great enthusiasm in learning and is motivated to learn. Next, we have Delacia Mantel. Improvement in reading and citizenship. She has shown great enthusiasm in learning and is motivated to learn. In Ms. Benson's class, we have Xenia Fasthor Balete. Xenia excels in all academic areas. She is achieving at or above grade level in all areas. She is a model of excellent citizenship. She is friendly, kind, and helpful. She put great effort into her assignments and does excellent work. Next, we have Bruno Gavin. Bruno tries his best in all he does. He is achieving at or above grade level in all academic areas. He loves to participate in our class discussions and contribute thoughtful ideas. He is a model citizen.
Room 7, Mr. Kim. Katie Felix. Katie is being recognized for most improved in work habit and attitude towards schoolwork. Good job, Katie. Keep it up.
In Mr. Renteria's class, we have Edgar Yernas, 3rd grade. He's an excellent role model, participates in all class discussions, is resilient, and turns in all classwork. Great job, Edgar.
3rd grade, Room 18, Mr. Katz. Brianna Lopez. Brianna follows along in my Zoom class and does her homework. Great job, Brianna. Way to go. Room 19, Mrs. Barbie. Kayla de la Cruz. Kayla is a super scholar for a variety of reasons. She's always prepared for class and participates with enthusiasm. She seeks knowledge and sets learning goals. Kayla is curious, kind, creative, and takes intellectual risks. Next, we have Alexa Perez. Alexa is an enthusiastic super scholar. Alexa sees the goodness in everyone and always has a compliment for a classmate. She sets goals and works to achieve them. Alexa comes to school willing to learn and enjoys working with her classmates on a variety of tasks. Great work, you two. Congratulations. Room 22, Mrs. Skane. Kaylee Sofia Ramirez. Kaylee is a sweet, interesting, creative student. She's an advanced student in reading comprehension. She scored 861 Lexile in reading inventory. She's creative and has a vivid imagination. She's an excellent writer and has made steady progress in all areas. Rosalind Cortez Rosales. Rosalind has made steady progress in all areas. She now keeps her camera on, participates respectfully, and is turning in all assignments. She's truly making a great effort to become a successful scholar. Congratulations, Kaylee and Rosalind. Keep up the great work. Room 23, Mr. Cam. Jaretzi Huerta Castaneda. Gives effort, excellent Zoom manners. Jaretzi is eager to learn and has great attendance. Way to go, Jaretzi. Congratulations to all third grade students.
And now, our fourth grade student of the month are from Ms. Gomez's class, Giovanni Cruz. Giovanni has shown improvement in work habits. He is becoming more responsible with his work assignments. And Jose Miranda, for continued excellence in all subject areas. Jose received 100% on the Math Module 5 Fractions exam. He is a great example of great citizenship and work habits. Good job. From Ms. Lamb's class, we have Micaela Cobadas. Micaela has shown improvement in her work habits during second semester, has learned to see assignments and long-term projects through to their completion from when she has begun them. Micaela also keeps up with demonstrating more consistency and being vocal and in her oral contributions to class lessons or discussions. Micaela tries to listen carefully and follows directions the first time given, asks clarifying questions in order to ensure correctness on her task or deeds. Good job, Micaela. And from Ms. Lamb's class, we also have Frida Gonzalez. Frida demonstrates exemplar citizenship and satisfactory work habits in class. She observes Zoom norms and expectations well. Frida completes assignments, long-term projects, and meets submission deadlines. Frida is mindful of and independently keeps track of her extracurricular classes, support sessions, and attends them promptly and regularly. She displays stellar attendance in homeroom class, logs on to class promptly, and remains logged on consistently until the very last minute of any class, day in and day out, each and every day. In Ms. Kobar's class, we have Aliyah Joseph. Aliyah is putting forth much effort in improving her reading. She grew 108 exiles in April's RI assessment and is now performing in the basic performance level. We're very proud of you, Aliyah. And we have Brandon Barajas Rosas. Brandon enjoys learning and researching. He is hooked on reading and grew 188 exiles in April's RI assessment. Brandon has climbed to the basic performance level. He is always attentive in Zoom class and enjoys participating. We're all very proud of Brandon. Good job, Miss Kobar's class. And in Mr. Gulowitz's class, we have Matthew Sandoval. Matthew has continued to distance learn from the beginning. He exhibits excellent attendance. Matthew is respectful to his peers. He completes all or nearly all of his asynchronous assignments. And finally, in Ms. Duarte's fourth grade class, we have Johan Frias. As a hybrid learner, Johan shows progress in all academic areas. He has a positive attitude and is always ready to learn. He enjoys reading and relates well with his peers. And we also have William Pontanzo. As a distance learner, William is always Zoom ready to learn. He enjoys solving math problems and works well in small groups. He demonstrates leadership skills. Good job, fourth grade scholars. And now our fifth grade scholars, our student of the month, from Miss C. Hernandez's class, we have Allison Calata. She is a great writer and reader. Scored 1018 in RI. Mathematician, independent and very mature for her age. She scored blue on Dibbles. We also have Yamila Gonzalez. Yamila has a score of 1206 in RI. She has also scored blue in Dibbles. She is a responsible student who loves to write, completes her homework and classwork on a daily basis. Good job, Ms. Hernandez's class. From Ms. Olsen's class, we have Melanie Franco. Melanie has a positive attitude, courtesy, and good homework patterns. And we have Nicole Polos. Positive attitude, courtesy, and good homework patterns. Good job, 5th grade scholars.
Now let's celebrate our 6th grade scholars. From Miss Wendy Perez's class, we have Brianna Hernandez. Brianna works diligently. She always has her camera on and participates with meaningful conversations. She always asks questions to clarify concepts. She truly is an outstanding student with a bright future. Our second scholar is Adrian Venegas. He is always participating and doing very well academically. Adrian has terrific work habits. He has a positive attitude and a perfect attendance. In Miss Ceja's class, we are going to celebrate our scholar Anthony Bustamante. Anthony shows perseverance in distance learning and has good attendance. And we have Fernando Valerio, who shows perseverance in distance learning and has good attendance. Congratulations, 6th grade scholars.
Boys and girls, just wanted to share that this coming Monday, you will not have classes. School will be closed. Our district is observing Memorial Day. For those of you that do not know what Memorial Day is, we have a little video that we would like to share with you that tells you a little bit about Memorial Day. So please sit back and enjoy this video.
Good day, folks. Broadcast Cal here. Today we're going to learn about Memorial Day. Oftentimes people confuse Memorial Day and Veterans Day. After you watch this video, be sure to go check out the video I made about Veterans Day so you know the difference. On Memorial Day, we honor those who've given the ultimate sacrifice by laying down their lives for our country while serving in the military. Did you know that Memorial Day was first known as Decoration Day? That's because after the Civil War, people would decorate the graves of fallen soldiers. On May 30th, 1868, President Ulysses S. Grant presided over the first service to honor soldiers at Arlington National Cemetery. After World War I, the holiday included all soldiers who died protecting our freedom. Memorial Day was celebrated on May 30th until 1971, when the Monday holiday law shifted Memorial Day from May 30th to the last Monday in May. On Memorial Day, American flags are raised to half-staff until noon, and then raised to the top of staff until sunset. In the year 2000, Congress established a national moment of remembrance, which asks all Americans to pause for 1 minute at 3 p.m. in an act of national unity. On Memorial Day, we honor the heroes that have given their lives for our freedom. We salute you, heroes. Be sure to share this video so others learn the true meaning of Memorial Day. Broadcast Cal, out.
And that concludes our assembly for today, boys and girls. Remember, continue to work hard, try your best. We only have 3 weeks left of school. Have a good day and a good rest of your week. Bye.